Hello, sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today's video features a design team project for Scrapdiva Designs using several Scrapdiva design dies. I will have affiliate links in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop for these dies. I would like to thank you all for using the affiliate links as it helps me in my channel, and I appreciate it so very much. You can also use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So today's project features this die right here, which is the Loaded Pocket Small. And I have to say that this is an adorable die that I really love. And you get two different configurations to make your loaded pocket. You get one with this design and you get one with the scalloped edge design. And I'll show you that closer in the project share. I also used the fringed butterfly small. I have a tutorial for this in my videos to show you how to put this together. I used the heart cutout scallop bow. That's an older die. I also used the fringed heart bundle, and I used the smaller heart in this die set. And I do also have a tutorial on how I put my fringed hearts together. And then last but not least, that was the rose petal flower. And I also have a tutorial for that. So let me go ahead and pull this into view here for you. And before I show you the project, I'll say if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So look how super cute this project is. And the small fringe butterfly fits on here perfectly, and it is adorable embellishment for this loaded pocket. So your die set comes with this scalloped edge right here, and then you get a piece to cut out on designer paper to decorate it. So I only had to cut one of the scalloped doily edge. I cut two of the decorative piece, one for the front, and as you can see, one for the back. You get this little pocket that you just fold on the lines and then glue to the center of your pocket. And then you get this designer paper cutout piece that has stitching that fits right on top of your pocket. And then I just put my butterfly. That's all I needed on there. And then I made the bow and the flowers to decorate that. I will show you this one next. This one already has a little present in it. This is the fringed heart, the small one. I do have a tutorial for that. I did mount it on an extra heart die that I have in my stash, and I think it's just adorable. And of course I have a little heart to decorate it, so I put a little heart keychain for a present in there. And here is my bow, and when I turn this over, you will see the words Happy Mail. You do get this in your die set. You get both words, and then you get the background shadow die to put on your little pocket. And you could put that on the front or the back. And this is so cute to give to your crafty friends and for your swaps. It's adorable. And then I have this one right here with another fringed heart on it. I'll flip it over. I didn't put anything on the back of there. So let me show you some more that I made. So I had told you in a previous video that I was in a secret sailor swap on a cruise. And what we do is we get into groups. My group is a group of 8 with my name in there. So I only have to have 7 gifts. And I thought this was a perfect little pocket to put inside my box. Remember, we had a project share with this earlier, and I found out that these little pockets fit right inside the box. This is why I love this box size. So I still have room in here to put some hand sanitizer, my collapsible straws, some candy, and I think a luggage tag I'm putting in there. And so I love this. This is perfect, and it'll be a cute gift to deliver to the cabins on the cruise ship. So here is some that I made. I just cut some of the images out of the paper, and I'll show you what I put inside. So let me explain about the cruise ducks. We also take ducks to hide on the cruise ship, and we put little tags on them for when people to find them, to share that they found them, and we put our names and where they came from. So for instance, if I lived in Groton, Connecticut, I would say my name, my husband and I's name, and you found a cruise duck from us, and we live in Groton, Connecticut. And there are cruising duck Facebook pages to go and post when you find a duck. So we all love our little yellow ducks, our cruisers do. Here's a keychain with a little anchor on it. We always try to do something that people would use on a cruise or are nautical created. Here's another one. This one has a compass and a ship's wheel, and I think it was an anchor on there. Here's another one that's got a life preserver and an anchor and a ship's wheel. And then we have this one, and we have this one. I didn't fill them all up yet, but I was super excited that they fit in the box because I like them to all be coordinated. Now, from the last video when I had done the Valentine gift box right here from Scrapdiva Designs, I had a lot of comments on what paper I used for this and how much everybody liked it. So in this video, I'm going to say that I am going to create a zip file with these papers, and if you would like to receive it, it's going to be for free. I will email it to you. So I'm going to leave my email in the description box below. So just email me telling me you want the nautical papers, and I will send you the zip file. This is for free. I do not want to charge for the papers. This is something that I'm offering to my friends and subscribers as just something to have fun with. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's what I can do. All right, so till the next video, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.